The Indian Air Force test-fired its newly inducted surface-to-air missile defense system during exercise Vayu Shakti 24. The air defense system is designed to counter low-flying aerial threats like fighter jets, helicopters, land UAVs. India is planning to go for indigenous engine for its Arjun Mark 1A tanks as Germany has delayed engines by 4 years. Previously, Indian plan to develop a light tank also faced minor delays due to delays in the supply of engines from Germany, forcing to go for an American Cummins engine. China is increasing patrols in waters near group of frontline islands controlled by Taiwan, as tensions rise after 2 Chinese fishermen drowned during a pursuit by Taiwan's Coast Guard who accused them of trespassing. Sri Lanka's Air Force has announced ambitious plans to modernize its fleet and capabilities with acquisition of the 2Y-12IV aircraft from China. This aircraft functions as a versatile light transport with its short takeoff and landing capabilities.